Hi, today I'm showing you how to make the Potli bag in easy way. So here I'll show you the complete process along with making the dories and all. So let's start the work. For this I'm taking the silk fabric and also lining in the width of 12 inches and the height will be 13 inches. Okay, so I'm just making the marks and cutting the pieces of 4, one main piece and one lining on both sides, two main pieces and two linings. And also I need to make the sling, so for that I'm taking around half meter 2-inch piece to make the handle. So all I'm doing the marking first, then cutting all these pieces now. So once we done these pieces, we'll stitch on main cloth and the lining part. Now here what you need to do, take this up these pieces once you completed these 4 sides of stitch and trim it properly. Once you trim this, take on one side and make the marking of 3 inches. For dory inserting, we need to make a stitch. We need to stitch on one side. So mark for the 3 inches and from on that 3 inches, half inch you need to cut the inside. As I am showing in this video, follow as it is. Now take the extra piece around half meter and fold it and mark for the 2 inches and cut it. This piece is a straight piece. We are taking this for handle making, sling making. So I'm here showing this. It's a half meter extra piece. I'm folding and I'm making a mark of 2 inches and cutting, and also showing you how to fold this already in my previous video also, jute bag making, I have shown this how to fold the handle while before stitching. So it's a silk material. I'm not using here also any canvas. I'm directly stitching this fabric. So follow the things as I'm showing in this video. Now start the stitch of side part, the half inch what we have made a cut. There you need to fold it inside and give a stitch. Once you complete the both sides of the side parts, you need to give the stitch for top of that piece. Fold it inside, then again give a stitch. So it's just gives you like a loop. Okay, so start the stitch. Once you completed the top side loop, you need to give a stitch on other three sides, down part and two sides. Just make a stitch inside folding, and it's just you need to give a stitch like piping, so that the inside part also looks like very neatly, and any of the fabric pieces will not come out, so it looks nice and also comfortable to you to make any kind of things on the bag. So give three sides inside with the same fabric only you need to use. Don't use any extra pieces. I am not using any extra pieces here to make the this piping. So I am just making, I'm using the same fabric, folding inside, and I'm giving a stitch. Okay. So once you finished it, you need to attach the sling to the bag. So on the right side, give a mark on the side and start the stitching for joining the sling to bag. Now take the bag separately. On the loops you need to insert the dory. Here I am taking the gold color dory, which is this thread is available market, but at the edges tassels I am making. So for this what we need to do, first you need to insert the dory as I am showing in this video. First take one side of the thread and insert the pin, and just insert this pin into that loop of the bag on the top side and pull it. Once you pull completely on other side, one side of the part you have completed. Now the second part also you just need to give a round to complete round to that bag, and dory should be come on other side as I am showing in this video. Completely follow the steps so that while you pull the two sides of the edges of the dory, it will come very closer and it will bag will be closed. And if you want to open, then you can lose it and you can use this. So follow the steps as I am showing in this video. For making of the edges of tassels, what I have done, I took the ready-made pieces of the tassels and also one big bead, and I used the eye pin. With the help of pilers, I have made the tighten, and I'll show you this simple tassels how to make on my next video. So that's it guys, your Potli bag is ready. So hope you people have liked it. Give a like button, also share it in your communities, and do subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.